Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Raziee bin Abdul Hamid, 3 ACSR from School of Computing, Faculty of Engineering. Okay, today I will present Undergraduate Final Year Project 1 Proposal Report. Okay, my supervisor is Dr. Johan bin Muhammad Sharif. Okay, my topic is baby reminder using Internet of Things, IoT. Okay, in presentation outline, there is 8 topics that I will present. First, introduction. Second, problem background. Third, project aim. Fourth, literature reviews. Fifth, methodology. Sixth, software and hardware requirement. 7, PSM2 planning, and 8, conclusion. Introduction. Recently, there are many cases that child syndrome has been reported in Malaysia. The child has been left in a car without their knowledge and ended with fatal. This is not only happened in Malaysia, but it becomes a global issue. This issue becomes more serious when the people nowadays are being occupied and having actively engaged lifestyle, which is too busy with their work and always in hurry. Problem background. In most cases, a baby in the back seat will fall asleep in a moving vehicle. When the parents reach at their destination, they may mistakenly forget their child, who is peaceful and asleep in the back seat, and just exit the vehicle and leave them. The child was left in the car and died as a result of heat stroke. Okay, the project aim. The goal of this project is to create a prototype of a low-cost and easy implementation of a baby reminder using Arduino kits with Bluetooth module, which will be used to send notifications to parent and nursery by phone. Okay, in a literature review, literature studies need to be conducted to obtain detailed information to facilitate the system development process. Research and analysis are done to find information about the organization. The method used to acquire real information and identify the need to improve the existing system. The purpose of the literature reviews is to provide guidelines for developing a system project that can meet the current need of users. Literature reviews of technology use. In my project, I will use a Groove PIR motion sensor, Wi-Fi Uno based ESP8266, Bluetooth module Bluebee, and B-Shield. I take a comparison from other products, that is co-pilot car seat alert system, still-made baby car seat reminder, and waist child reminder. Okay, this is the comparison with my proposed system. Okay, for methodology, I use agile methodology because it has a 4 phase in that methodology. First phase is a requirement. That means data collection and system analysis. Second phase is a design of the proposed system architecture. Third phase is development, creating a prototype and developing a program code. And the last phase is phase 4, test and deploy. Test a prototype. Software and hardware requirement. System development requires the use of some of the software and hardware tools required to design, develop, and test the system in order to achieve an efficient, flexible, interactive, and well-designed application. In a hardware requirement, Arduino Uno, the function of this Arduino Uno is to receive the signal from Groove PIR motion sensor. Then it will process the data and determine the exact condition of the user. Lastly, it will send the signal to smartphone by using Bluetooth through Bluetooth communication. Wi-Fi Uno based ESP8266 is for Wi-Fi module that disrupt conventional microcontroller that need to combine with Wi-Fi. Groove PIR motion sensor. PIR sensor allow to sense motion used to detect whether a human has moved in or out of the sensor range. Bluetooth module Bluetooth. Bluetooth module Bluetooth is one of the devices that can send and receive signals via Bluetooth wireless technology. XB Shield. It is a XB expansion device that designed to attach on the Arduino Uno board. And the last one, Android smartphone for baby reminder system application. Okay, in a software requirement, I use Flutter used to create a native mobile application, then a Firebase. The Firebase real-time database is a cloud-host database. I use LaTeX as a PSM1 report and documentation writing. Arduino IDE, the open source Arduino IDE, make it easy to write code and upload it to the board. This software can be used with any Arduino board. I use proto.io to create mobile app prototypes and run in a native application. Okay, I use enterprise architecture to draw a UML diagram and Microsoft Excel 2013 to create Gantt chart. For PSM2 planning, the planning for the upcoming project Sarjana Muda 2 to ensure that the identified objectives can be achieved in order to meet the needs of users. Aside from that, the prototype methodology should be implemented in such a way that the project is completed on time. Once the prototype is complete and meets all of the requirements of the users, the implementation phase will begin. Thus, after the system is developed, a test will be performed to ensure that it runs smoothly, and if any problem are identified during the testing phase, they must be fixed so that the system does not have any problems in the end. For a conclusion, the baby reminder system may not be compatible with all possible technologies. However, it shows great potential for parents to use it to prevent any fatal incident from occurring. The system is designed to notify parents who have unintentionally left their child in the car. This effort is more applicable and relevant for children between the age of newborn and toddler. Thank you.